Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you 7 weird side hustles to make $400 a day. So let's get started. So here are the 7, like they are the very weird side hustle that you can do. Okay. So first one is to get paid to sleep. So some websites provides us like get paid. You can see here. So this sites you can see they provide us to sleep like sleep jobs. Okay, so here is first overnight caregiver. So here we can see, so here you have to just like here to just you can see here you can just make a week about approximately $440 a week, and it's a full time. And then you can scroll down like 1,440, then you can make a per dollar approx like $20, 1,100 a week, 2,000 a week, up to right at home. You can see live in live in caregiver position. So here simple you have to just sleep and take take the caregiver, and you will get paid for sleeping. Okay, then this is blogger. So blogger creates a content and they publish, and then they just publish and they do like stay in hotels and travel, and they will got a fee like here you can see like a $33,000. So for example, if you are earning approximately $35,000 with this job, and there is 365 days, so you will earn approx $100 a day. So this is the first job. So let's let's go to second job. So second job is to get paid for cuddle with cats. So some websites provides us to get paid to cuddle with cats. So here you can see. So here is like a Greco cat lover is a perfect job for you. A cat rescue iron offering free home, utilities, and a salary of care of 50 living. In the words of paradise to a cat cuddle all day. Seriously, as you can see, if you love cats and you want to cuddle with a cat, you can just sign up here, and you can just stay here, and you have to just take care and cuddle with the cats. So here to apply, you can just visit this page. So like God little cat. So they provide a salary. Okay, the salaries are good. So it's approx like 2,000 or $3,000 a week. So you can just see here. Okay, fancy being to paid for all day. So here you can just accept all. So fancy being to paid a kitten all day. So here you can see there are you have to just cuddle like this. You can see you have to just time pass, and you can earn money by doing cuddling with these cats. So third job is to get paid for the video games. So there are many websites this gives you money. For example, like Buffer and get paid. You can just see here. These are all sites that provides us to play and win money. They are not actually a gambling or tournament site, but you have to just spend time on their sites. Okay, like you can see as Spurtrade Cash we have here. So we'll search as here Spurtrade Cash. So we can just go. So its rating is also good as 4.6. So here you have to just play just uh, card games, and you can just earn cash. So there are many sites like you can just see a Bubble Cash, Moneywell. They gives us your Moneywell gives us a PayPal transfer also. You can just go and search for there. So here we can see Moneywell. So Moneywell is discovering games. You have to just complete the task and you get the games. So you can just open here and see the site. Okay, so play for earning games. You can just see. You can just claim the gift card and claim all the things that you want to claim. So this is the third method. So let's move to another method for the fourth. Get paid to stand. Get paid to stand is actually a offline job type of job because uh like for example, if you want to buy a iPhone at the release date and you don't want to stand, some people stand on behalf of you and they will purchase the iPhone, but you have to pay the like uh per hour money to them. So you can just search here. So this business like gives you $25 by standing on streets or standing on the a queue. Okay. So another job is to get paid to laugh. This is also a weird job, one of the weird job. So you can just see here for 14 freelancing comedy writing jobs. So it is actually a job that you can do on Fiverr. So you can see I think my Fiverr. So I can just go to buying section. So here we can see we have here our section. So we'll write here as laugh. Okay. So here you can see I make videos of Deadpool laughing at cinema with any video. I have a voice of an evil or creepy laugh for your project. I will add logo of funny that is not. So you can just be creative on these sites like Upwork and Fiverr, and you can just make money. Okay, it is very easy. You have to do the work. Okay, I will dance laughing. Ha ha ha. Ha, you can just see. So here you can see the post. Here you can see her or the videos. Like I will small talk and make you laugh. Okay, so the next job is to get paid for listing improviser. So what is listing improviser? For example, like if you have a product and you want to list on some sites, so you can just list it there. Okay, so here you can see we have you can just search as listing improviser. Hmm. So here you can see what is listing improviser. So like if you have a job of listing improviser, freelance. So here you can see listing writers are the job that like you have to just check the product listing or the listings that you want to check. Okay, so let's move to next. The last one is AI blog writer. So AI blog writer is to write automatically blog and posting it, and you can just money. It's like a simple like blogger type of thing. You have to first do hard work and you can just make your content by using AI afterwards. Then you can just monetize your vlog. So these are the 7 weird side hustles that you can do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.